I'm getting ready to make vegan meat, which have the same texture, but 3 times the protein as real meat. Now, I have here 2 cups of chia seeds. This is organic. All the product that I'll be using here is organic. But by choice, you can choose whatever ingredients of your choice. Now we have here 2 cups of chia seeds, which was soaked. And I use bottled water. I use bottled water for all my cooking. And this is 64 ounces, and I have 2 64 ounces bottle of water in the pot here. This is a 4-quart pot, I think it is, a 8-quart pot. And this is here simmering because when I finish making the meat, it has to boil for at least 45 minutes to an hour. Now here is the chia seeds that's been soaked in also bottled non-fluoride water. You put the 2 cups of the chia seed in the pot. And this is 2 cups of black beans. Now this is black beans that has been soaked. It's organic as well. And after it's been soaked, you put it in a blender and blend it up a little bit. So this is 2 cups. This is really that hard to make. It's very simple. And this is the chia seed. Put that aside. Now here we have Arrowhead Vital Wheat gluten. I'm going to use 2 cups of the gluten. Now before I put the gluten in, this is natural seasoning from my garden. This herb, it has thyme, garlic, basil, and curry, natural plants, and scallions. And this is 2 tablespoons I put there inside. This is 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And this is a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is optional. And this here I like using shallot. This is 1 medium-sized shallot. It's like a 1/4 cup. It's minced. And now you put in the wheat, the gluten flour, 2 cups. Get a spoon here, a spatula, mixed. And you combine all the ingredients into the bowl. This is 1 cup at a time, and you mix it. Oh, I forgot. 1 teaspoon of salt. You give it a good stir. It's going to be like bread, like when you're making bread. Now if you use 2 cups and you notice it's a little soft, you can add a little more so you get the very firm texture. That's 2 cups. Now I'm going to put my hand in here and give it a good kneading. I forgot the yeast. This is nutritional yeast. I'm going to use 1.5 cups of the nutritional yeast. over here. Mix this up. Now I'm gonna put my hand down in here. I'm gonna start kneading this up. Now meanwhile the water is on the stove, because this water has to be hot. When this is ready, it has to be hot, and you put it to boil for about 45 minutes to an hour. Now you put your hand inside and you knead it like a dough, as though you're making bread. Just a piece of shallot. Okay, this is done. So I'm going to take this now and make it into a loaf. Now you can use this as it is, right like this, and make it into like patties, like this, burgers. And you can put them right into the pot and let it cook just like this as well. Or you can make little meatballs with them. You want to have spaghetti and meatballs. And you make little meatballs and you put them in the pot. The water is partially boiled. And or you could take this whole thing and just put it in the pot just like that. Or you can double it, cut it in two. And make 2 loaves and put it in the pot, and this will boil for about 45 minutes, and after it's boiled I'll let you see the finished product. This has been boiled at 45 minutes, and put it in the fridge overnight. You can also put it in the freezer. It gives you a good texture if it's in the freezer. And if it goes into the freezer, you can make it like a meatloaf. As you can see, you slice it like this. And I have 3 slices here already. So it's like a meatloaf. Or you make your little balls like this. And you can take just like a measuring cup and just like flat it down a little bit. And that's a beef patty. And you can leave it like ground beef. And with the ground beef, it's already cooked, but you can make little meatballs with it, and you fry them on top of the stove until it's browned. Or if you do not like oil, you can bake them. Now, I use organic extra virgin olive oil because everything that I use is organic products, but you can use any product of your choice. And now, I have a skillet here, it's all ready. So now I pick up these are the slices, and I put them in. Yeah, you fry it until it's brown. Maybe 10 minutes or maybe less, until it's brown on each side. And it's done. And then when it's brown on each side, you do whatever you want to do with it. You can make it into a sandwich or hamburgers or as a side dish for whatever meat, any dish that you want to prepare for. And also you can, you brown a little saute, a little onion on the stove, little tomato, garlic, red onion I prefer, and add little extra spices to your taste, and you make like a little gravy with it. And if you make rice, brown rice, white rice, whatever you prefer, and you have a gravy with the meat along with your vegetables, and that's a beautiful dish. So now we just frying this. So I picked this. These are the burgers. So I'm just doing this so you would have an idea of what it would look like. So this will take about 10 minutes to cook.
Anytime you're ready. I'll edit it out later. So it's recording, so anytime you're ready.
Okay, so now, oh, one more thing. With the ground beef, the one that looks like ground beef, because you know I minced it up. With you can add a little oatmeal to it, and again, oatmeal of your choice, organic or regular oatmeal, and you make the little balls and make meatballs with it, and also to make the beef patty. And it gives it the oatmeal makes it look like a little fat in there, but there is absolutely no fat at all. So now I have 2 of the finished product here. I'm gonna let my little granddaughter be the taste. I'm gonna let her taste. Okay, Lauren, you're gonna taste. It's a little bit hot, so you're gonna taste and let me know how you like it. If you like it, it's good. There you go. It might be hot. Blow on it. Well, how is it?
It's good.
Oh man, let me taste it. It is good. You want to taste it?
Yeah, let the cameraman taste some. Yeah, it's good.
It's very good. So there you got it. Here you got it. The ground, like you can make the ground beef, make your meatloaf or your meatballs, and here you have your beef, your patties, or this is the slices. I slice the meatloaf, and that's the finished product. It's very simple, and there is absolutely no fat, no cholesterol, and it has 3 times in nutritious value as regular steak or lamb or whatever you get from the meat. But as you can see, this is a non-meat product. Very, very healthy for you.